sway to the sound. That's my sanity breaking down. Every second feels too loud, like I'm buried underground. I still hear the younger me screaming for somebody's help, but nobody ever came. So I let hatred take my place. This is the sound of my collapse. Every crack I can't take back, every memory turned black. Now there's nothing left intact. I was trying to survive, now I barely feel alive. If the world enjoys my pain, then I'll make it scream the same. Shattered glass beneath my knee, broken hearts and empty streets. Even silence sounds afraid every time I say your name. You don't know what I became after drowning in the blame. Pain rewrote my every thought. Now compassion starts to rot. Hear the sound, hear it scream, hear the death of every dream. If my soul already fell, then I'll drag you down as well. Then I'll drag you down as well.